Everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel so you get the latest updates as we post new videos. Today we're going to be showing you table Scape, how to create it. It could be right now with the holiday season. We're going to be using it for Christmas, plus having family over for dinners. But you can also do it for any kind of holiday season, celebrations, birthdays, and we're going to be able to alter it a little bit as well to show you a different variety of it. So let us show you and take you on a journey of how to set up a table Scape. So this is our regular tablecloth, but to add a little bit of flair, you can put something else on top of it as well. So we're going to be putting this white throw on it. It's really nice and fluffy, and then in the pictures it will come out really nice, as well as the decorations. So let's do that. I have done my part, which was this, and I'm going to let my wife and my daughters do the full decorations, and then we'll show you when it is done. Show everybody here the progress so far we've been making. Well, my wife's been making, and the whole point is, because this is last minute, we are trying to do this with items that we have in our home, and you can do them too. You just have to be a little bit creative, ensuring that it's somewhat of a color coordinated theme. There's a lot of candy cane we have, so we've spread them around here. This is an actual planter that we're using to raise the candle holder that we have here, which we use on a daily basis anyways, but it's white, so it's going with the theme. This is a charcuterie board that we have here. These are cupcake holders that we're using. Again, we're using it for elevation, for the decoration here. This is actually a gift bag. It's a Christmas themed gift bag here, but my wife is going to use it as what's it called? Placemat. She's going to be using it as a placemat. My wife is so cute. She's super cute, super cute. All right. So I just wanted to show it to you guys how it looks so far, and we will continue doing it and then show you the end. All right, so we have these reserve signs here, and then what we're going to do is to add a quick twist to it. Is my daughter wrote up these signs here: Santa's reindeers and Mr. and Mrs. Claus. I'm just going to tape it down again. Last minute ideas to utilize items that are in the house. Alright guys, this looks amazing. My wife put this all together. Again, last minute, reusing a lot of the products from our own home as well. And it's come out really nice. Right now I don't have the light open. I'm using the camera light to show you guys the ambiance that my wife has created. And again, it's come out really nicely here. And now we will open the light and also show you as well how it looks. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Awesome. Again, this is a quick put together, last minute ideas utilizing the products you have from your own home to create a beautiful table scape. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe to our videos, our channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.